Hey, I'm Christina from Jugo. Creating a new event doesn't have to be difficult, so let's do it together and I'll break it down step by step. First, we're going to give our event a name. I'm going to set up an all-hands meeting for our parent company, GDS Group. We also, of course, want to tell our audience what this event is all about. So here is where you can add a description to the event, and you'll see this information pop up on your registration page. Perfect. Let's get down to the details now and add a date and time to our event. And if you'd like to change the time zone, just scroll through the options, or you can add it in a popular city. Nice. We're almost done, but we need to choose who to invite to the event by selecting some privacy settings. This is simple. All you have to do is click on the green pen tool and select public or private. And if you're looking to make this invitational only, heads up, you're going to need to create a password for your VIPs. Finally, what is an event without interacting with your audience? Jugo allows you to engage with all of your attendees by letting them ask questions and chat with one another at any given time. This is what you're looking for. Just switch both of those options on like this. There you have it. Easy. From here, click Save Draft, and it's time to move on to your next step, creating the agenda. When it comes to your events, Jugo has always got you covered.